Hello, this is Jess Wei, and today I'd like to demo how to calculate latitude and longitude coordinates on our point feature class in our 5G database. Okay, let's get started. So I have a feature class opened. It's called second meter. It's a point name. So there are two fields. One is called latitude, and another one is called longitude. So now they don't have the value. I like to use the point shape field to calculate its latitude and longitude. Okay. So let's minimize this. Okay. So I have a Python script here. Move the Python script here. Okay. So this is Visual Studio Code IDE, and you need to install the extension with this Visual Studio Python extension. Yeah. So after that, you can import Arcpy module and also import those modules. Okay. The first, I just create a log file to log the information and now log the process when it starts processing and what feature class is processed, and it's a workspace. And because I have some code line commented, because and after tested this process in 5G database, I will switch it to Oracle SDE database. So, but now I'm focusing on the feature class in this test GDB file database. And then here I create some parameters. The important one is here, because all data is our customized coordinate system, projected coordinate system. So it's 3TM. You see, it's 3TM. So that I need to, because if I don't project it, the shape I will get the XY, because because our data is in meter, the linear. Okay, the projection, you see, the linear unit is in meter, so is now cannot directly get that latitude and longitude. So that's the reason I need. This is important projection. Use the Arcpy special reference. Okay, and the field, we are only care about shapefile. I need this shapefile, point shape field, and to calculate latitude, longitude, and this 3 field. So now I need a arcpy.da.UpdateCursor, and put this information and create a cursor, and then I loop through each row. The first thing here is row 0 is the shape field, point shape field. I project it to this window ID 4326, and that is, you can see this is WGS 84, standard. So after I projected that shape field, and then I calculate the shape field x, and y is latitude and x is longitude, and then I update the row, and I also count how many row I update. The where clause here I'm not using it, and I can use it because I can only put some where clause, only update those rows without latitude and longitude. But I found this is very data is not very large, and I don't need to put any where clauses here, and just update all. So basic, that's the main module we need to focus on here. After that, just use, because try, exception, and log. If something wrong, we can log the message here in the log file. Okay. Finally, we need to close log file. Okay. And okay, I can. Okay. Now let's run it. Need to run the currently active one. Is this file? So it's starting processing. Okay, the process is starting. Okay, log file is this is later file. Okay. Okay, we got an error message. Actually, I'm did this on purpose. Yeah, because I opened this attribute table, so that put a shared log. Yeah, so now I close the attribute. Now we can run it again. So it should work. It should work now, I think. It will take less than 1 minute to process the whole. I think. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, I don't want to put a log. Okay. Yes, this sentence, this print are only for debugging. But when this script is scheduled, those are not used. Okay. And the information error message will be logged in the log file. I used to use that PyScript IDE and to develop a Python script today I use the Visual Studio the first time. Yeah. Maybe it's take yeah, okay, it's done. Anyway, it's done. So, and I can open the log file. Yeah, we just finished it in 11:27. Okay, I open it. Oh, it's open on this. I have another screen. Okay, you see log the information, project, or when ID. Okay, it's important here. 33,329. Let's see. Okay, let's open attribute table and the total number. Yeah, the total number is identical. Let's go to the latitude and longitude field to see if, yeah, they are all updated or updated. So it's working. So it's working. Okay, I think that's for today. If you have any question and recommendation, and please leave a message and my YouTube, and I can get back to you. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.